Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Now this time we are not talking particularly about any stock, we're talking about our Discord server. The Discord server has been around basically since the initial inception of the channel, so clearly it has been around for a very long time, but recently it has been kind of renovated and done up. I want to show you guys what it looks like now and of course how we are operating it currently. Now I must remind you guys, this is not a paid server, it's completely free to join, and of course we do have a lot in this server which you guys can utilize. So again, this server does not consist of advice, it's just opinions from myself and others, but I want to give you guys a little bit of a look around it right now, and perhaps you may consider joining. And again, if you have already joined, I just want to give you guys that little look around it. Now of course, this is not the only video scheduled for today, more will be coming out later in the day, and of course into tomorrow and the rest of the week. I have been a little bit busy this week, as I've said before, sometimes that does happen, but yeah, hopefully going forwards we're going to have more time to do more filming. So let's have a walk around the Discord server and I can explain to you guys how things are moving. So at the top here, what we have is we of course have a channel speaking about the members in here. So we can see that is a kind of irrelevant channel, but shows us what we are looking at. Now, coming on to the main areas, we have the welcome section, we have the rules which are in there. Of course, you can have a look at those in your own time. We have roles, so of course everybody can assign a role based on which style is best suited to them and how they best wish to trade. Now we have social media updates. Of course, this is the area where my videos pop up, so you can be notified of those immediately when they come out, because sometimes the YouTube algorithm just does not notify people immediately. And we also have updates from all the users. Is basically announcements, and again, this was actually done. The renovation was done by the user Alfie, who you will know if you are in the server, and if you are not, he is one of our kind of helpers. He does a lot alongside others, which I will get onto in a moment. So again, massive shout out to all of our helpers here. But yeah, so what we have here is a main channel. Again, a lot of joking happens in here. We talk about stuff which is going on, but this is not really where we speak about many stocks. Now, coming down a bit lower, we have entertainment section. This is where we post all of our memes, jokes, and all sorts of stuff. Now we coming on to the stocks. Now, over time, we are definitely updating this section, so we're adding more stuff as things go on. Again, this renovation is fairly new, so we are still looking at what works and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, so we have a lot of stocks which people are interested in. Again, we are going to be kind of streamlining these topics in the future, but yeah, we have areas like AMC, GME, other stocks which can be, put in this generalized channel, alongside others which we will make as we go along. We look at technical analysis in this channel. We have crypto, and of course this is a general crypto channel alongside some main cryptos which people are interested in, and of course user suggested crypto, somewhat similar to the top general crypto, but yeah, just what our users are generally interested in, and similarly technical analysis for the same section. So coming into the CFD section, this is something which is not necessarily apparent in all markets, but yes, a lot of people do operate CFDs. Now again, they are fairly risky, but that's up to you to decide. So we're looking at different types of CFDs, from Forex to indices, commodities, and of course technical analysis for this area as well. Now we have profits and losses and memes. Again, memes somewhat similar to what we have in entertainment, but just more suited to the actual memeing itself. Then coming down a bit lower, what we have is we have our users. So again, we have Alfie, which is the user who actually did this. Coming down one more, we have Dan. Again, massive shout out to Dan. He's been here for a very long time, and he's always posting a lot of great stuff based on what he finds in the market. So you will probably enjoy Dan's findings if you do join us in the server. And of course, then we do have my channel. Now, inevitably, most of my updates are sent straight to you guys via YouTube. This is my main communication platform, but if anybody does want to speak to me on Discord, absolutely feel free to @me in this channel. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And with that being shown, we also have some voice channels for those interested, and of course we have bots down here. Now bots don't really matter, they are just things which help us in the operation of the server, but yeah, that's basically the main body of what we have on Discord. So again, this Discord server, completely free, anybody can join it at any point. Link will definitely be down in the description, as it always is. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to smash the like button and do join us. Again, many of you will have had a look at our Discord server already at this point, but for those of you who have not, do feel free to join. And again, we are definitely working on improving it all the time. So if you do have any suggestions, any improvement suggestions at all, drop me them either in this channel here, or of course on the comment section of this video. I will try and get back to you and make the appropriate alterations as soon as I possibly can, alongside our fantastic team. So again, to conclude the video, I do want to give a massive shout out to the team of moderators and helpers that we do have on our Discord server, alongside all of the people that have been here for so long. They have obviously made it into a great place, and we want to continue that going forwards. And this 2022 update is obviously intended to help us on that journey. So again, any suggestions at all, do drop them down below. I want to hear anything that you have to say, so please do drop it in a comment. For now, guys, of course, I'm going to say goodbye, but thank you so much for watching. And again, if you do have anything that you want to leave us, do drop it. And of course, feel free to share this link to our server with any of your friends, family, and other people who are interested in the listed markets. Again, we can create new channels if we see other areas which people will be interested in, but I will leave that, guys, to your suggestions. So thank you, I'll see you later. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.